Hello, welcome everyone to this tutorial. We will create an animated portal in pixel art step by step, both the static portal and its animation, so that it has a dynamic and fluid effect. It is either for a game, an animation, or simply to practice. Without further ado, let's get started. If you are liking this tutorial and want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Also, if you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials, leave them in the comments. I would love to know your opinion and help you with whatever you need.